Hey, it's Michael here, sound designer and composer of Timestorm, with a Between Seasons minisode. Let's listen back to a scene from our Season 1 special when Sonia told Janelly about Newark Sounds.
Newark Sounds? It's this contest, and Justice, my music teacher, submitted a bunch of student demos, including This Is Me, into this contest. And I didn't want to get too excited, especially since the prize is amazing.
What's the prize?
A professional recording of the song.
Wow. Whoever wins that is really lucky.
I won. We're going into the recording studio.
Whoa, this is gonna be fun.
Now, we'll flash forward to months later when the studio version of This Is Me debuts on the radio.
Yes, WNRK. That was Lovely Lopez with their new reggaeton jam, Baila Brick City. Hey there, I'm Cecily Simon. It's been great spending this wonderful Saturday afternoon with you on the radio in sunny downtown Newark, New Jersey. Now for the moment y'all been waiting for. We're going to end this week's show with a song that won our 2018 Newark Sounds contest, celebrating the young music creators in our city. This year's winner is Sonia Soto Johnson, an up-and-coming Newark musician. In her winning submission, Sonia said her song is about finding your voice and sharing it with the world. As a reward for being named 2018 Newark Sounds Grand Prize winner, Sonia received the honor of having her song produced by Newark's very own music producer extraordinaire, Virginia Dominguez. And now here's the public debut of This Is Me by Sonia Soto Johnson, featuring Janelly Rios on WNRK.
I'm at this party, they stare at me whispering. She talks so funny. All I want is to stand and scream. This is all I've got. This is me. This is me. I don't know what you are. No sé cómo eres. No, I don't know what you are. No sé cómo eres. So I don't know what you are. No sé cómo eres. This is me. Waves that flow from my head, my skin, my eyes, so misread. This is me. All I want is to stand and scream. This is all I got. This is me.
That was This Is Me by Sonia Soto Johnson, winner of the 2018 Newark Sounds contest. We're going to keep that song in rotation all summer long, so if you like what you heard, please consider supporting Sonia by purchasing the song at cocotazomedia.bandcamp.com/track/this-is-me. That's cocotazomedia.bandcamp.com/track/this-is-me. Thanks again for joining me, Cecily Simon, for this afternoon's Life Jams on WNRK, where we keep your feet moving and life grooving.
Hey again, if you liked what you heard, you can buy the studio version of This Is Me, and we'll donate a quarter of the proceeds to Comprometidos, an organization that's building a stable, productive, and self-sufficient Puerto Rico. Find the link to buy the song in our show notes. This minisode was written by me, Michael Aquino. I also did the sound design and composed, arranged, and played all of the instruments on This Is Me. Lyrics co-written by me and Dania Ramos. Jessica Bracken sang lead vocals, with additional vocals by Frances Ramos. The role of
Cecily Simon
was played by
Monifa Brown.
Timestorm is produced by Cocotazo Media and is a proud member of TRAX from TRAX. To learn more about TRAX, visit trax.fm. That's TRAX.fm. If you enjoy the show, ask your parents to subscribe to Timestorm on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or the Kids Listen app. Timestorm is produced in Essex County, New Jersey, which is situated on the traditional territory of the Leni Lenape people. As always, thanks for listening.